everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I installed and modified the toolboxes on the back of the Ranger Raptor. Top ones are 1200mm trade tools ones, which I chopped, notched and welded to fit nicely on the side of the tub. Gives better room in the middle. And down here got a Dunn Watson drawer, I think it's around 1300 long. The drawer is spaced on some 25mm square tube, otherwise it fouls on the tailgate. Now it's perfect. And the side toolboxes have a bolt in each corner, and they're bolted to an existing threaded boss. And then up the top I just braced it with some 25mm box tube temporarily. I'm going to build a bit more of a stronger roof rack later on down the track. Alright, this is what it looks like before the boxes are chopped up. Rough game plan is we're going to cut 10mm below this fold the whole way across, 80mm in, and then straight down. And I want to flip that off cut and weld it in place so that the toolbox overhangs 80mm that way and drops about 80mm as well. And it'll make it fit much better. So it overhangs about 70 each side, gives us about 10mm grace, and yeah, hopefully it should fit. Let's hook in. Alright, this is what it looks like after it's been chopped. The wood in the middle is just a chock to keep it sitting square. Proportions look much better. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a goer. I'm just going to clean up the bit that's been cut out, weld it in place, and then do the same to the other side. To glue it all together, you're going to need a welder of some sort. I got this new beast. It's a pulse MIG, so we'll see how it rips. This is my little calibration piece. I used the offcuts from the folded section, so it's the same metal, same type, same thickness, and I could really dial in the amps and the speed. Here's a quick comparison of them side by side. All I did was chop the two side pieces out and just inverted the existing offcut, and it fits perfect. Do have to take your time cleaning it up. You don't want to remove too much material. All I'm going to do now is do the same to this side and then weld it all up. Alright, here's a final fitment shot before it gets welded together. Turned out pretty good. I hand fold it slowly into position. Naturally this weld here has pulled this section in, so when I tack it together, I'll start at the corners, have this on a flat square bench, pull it in, tack it all together square. So to help fight the distorted section, if you put it on a nice flat workbench and just chuck some weight up the top, I found some lumber, you can get it pretty much almost perfect, ready to tack up, and then your toolbox will be nice and square. Here's a quick little update on how I'm traveling. It's turned out pretty good. Do it in 100mm sections just to avoid distortion and warping. I'm almost out of argon. I'll have to grab another bottle so I can finish the other side. So I actually had just enough gas to finish it. I'll show you it raw and cleaned up a little bit. Not perfect, but not too bad either. I'm going to install these on the ute so I can start using them, and then at a later date I might grind these back and paint the boxes in 2-pack or something. I'm still undecided. So before mounting the toolboxes, I just ground all the surfaces that touch the tub flat. So this will be the side of the tub, this will be the headboard, and that'll keep it all nice and square and level. Alright, to rip this plastic cover off, same as this side, just to get fitment nice and flush. There's a bunch of these fixings along the side. The top bits you don't have to pull off, but I just did it so you can see easy underneath. And then get some pointy nose pliers, squeeze the bottom tabs. You can pull them all off except for the end one, which is hidden. You just got to do a bit of wiggle wiggle, jiggle jiggle, pull pull, and you should be good. Oh, and you also got to pull up this tie down point because it fouls on the toolbox when you drop it in there. So I just got some rubber to mount between the box and the tub to stop vibrations and noise. I'm going to use this threaded boss here and one up here. Pretty sure they're M8. So grab your stainless fixing stash, and you can transpose the numbers off here onto your toolbox. 10mm holes. Happy days. Alright, that might do it for this video before it gets too long. On the next one, I might Raptor coat it white. Still undecided. I'll whip up some roof racks out of some 40mm box aluminium, and I got some Z hangers to make a removable tool rack, and I might chuck some 12-volt gear in there. See how we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one.